Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Zyliss lock and lift can opener. And I'm also going to show you a way to open a can that you've probably never seen before. This blew my mind. But hey, let's jump into it. A few of the things that I really like about this is nice rubber grips right here. And when you clamp down, it actually has this lock right here. So I unlock it by pressing the button. And then, for instance, here, I can lock down on the actual can and I can open it just like this. And then when I'm done, what I really like also is this right here. It's a quick release. Right there is a magnet and right there's a button. So it almost picks up the whole can, pretty strong magnet. But what you can do is put this down, lift the lid out, and then walk over to the garbage and press this little button right here, and it'll drop it right in the garbage. I thought that was really cool. I like that aspect of it. But let me show you. This blew my mind. I'm sure most of you, like me, we've always opened cans this way. And I do like to do tuna that way because then I can press down to get all the juice out. But check this out. If you turn it sideways here and open it, it cuts off the entire top of the can, and then all you need to do is remove the can. You don't have anything sticking out. You don't have those sharp edges from cutting. And I'll tell you, you need to have a good, solid can opener in order to do that because you're going through a little bit more metal on the side than you are the top, but that works well. And of course, you wouldn't want to hold it like this. You're going to hold it down here. Overall, I'm really happy with this. I use it probably 3 times a week to open cans of tuna fish, and it works out great. Definitely one that I recommend.